In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Lovable project as a desktop app. We'll go through this together step by step, so just follow along at your own pace. Let's start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, head over to Lovable by typing lovable.dev into the address bar and pressing Enter. Give the page a moment to load fully so the dashboard is ready for you. On the Lovable dashboard, you'll see a main prompt input field sitting right in the center of the screen. Go ahead and click inside that prompt input so your cursor is active and ready for typing. Now you'll want to type in the starter app prompt. Feel free to copy and paste the prompt from the pinned comment below this video, since that will save you a lot of time and make sure the wording is exactly right. Take your time pasting it in and double check that the full prompt has landed inside the input box before moving on. Once the prompt is in place, look to the right of the prompt input and click the Send button. Lovable will now start generating your project from scratch. You'll see it building files, writing code, and slowly putting together a working preview on the right side of the screen. This part takes a moment, so we'll skip ahead until the project is fully generated and the working preview is visible. Next, we're going to ask Lovable to make this project installable. Click the chat message box at the bottom of the Lovable project editor so you can send a new instruction. Then type the PWA prompt into that chat box. Again, feel free to copy and paste the PWA prompt directly from the pinned comment, since it contains the exact wording Lovable needs to set things up correctly. After your prompt is in the chat box, click the Send button right beside it. Lovable will now update the project, adding the pieces needed to turn it into an installable app. Wait patiently until Lovable finishes the update and the preview refreshes on the right. When it's done, read through Lovable's completion message carefully and confirm that it mentions PWA, manifest, service worker, or app icons. Those words tell you that the installable layer has been added properly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now we need to publish the project so it lives on the open web. Look to the top right corner of the Lovable project editor and click the Publish button. A Publish dialog will pop up on your screen. Inside that dialog, keep the default Lovable subdomain selected so you don't have to configure a custom domain. Then click the Publish button inside the dialog to begin the deployment. Wait while Lovable finishes deploying your project. When the Publish Success message appears, click View Live Site. A new Chrome tab will open, and you should see the live FocusFlow desktop page load up successfully. Now we'll install the live site as a desktop app. Stay on the live FocusFlow desktop tab in Chrome. Move your eyes to the top right corner of the Chrome window and click the More button, which looks like 3 vertical dots. From the menu that drops down, click the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. That will open a sub-menu. Inside the sub-menu, click Install Page as App, with the 3 dots at the end. A small install confirmation dialog will appear in the center of your screen. Inside that dialog, keep the app name as FocusFlow Desktop without changing it. Then click the Install button at the bottom of the dialog to confirm. Chrome will quickly install the project as a standalone app on your computer. Once installation finishes, Chrome will automatically open FocusFlow Desktop in its own application-style window. Confirm that this new window does not have the normal browser tab bar across the top, which means it is running as a real desktop app rather than a regular browser tab. The Lovable project is now installed as a desktop web app on your machine. You can launch it later directly from your computer's app launcher, taskbar, dock, or start menu, depending on the operating system you are using.